Hi friends, I'm Raj here, and today we are going to discuss a useful application developed by Google. It is called Translate. So this application is used to translate a document from one language to another language. Let us say I wish to translate a document from English to Hindi or to Chinese or to Russian. Then how to use it? So first log into your browser and log into your Google account. And then just next to your profile tab you will find the 9 dots are available. These 9 dots are basically a shortcut to the applications. So once you click on this, you will get a this Google Translate application is there. Click on this one. You can directly also go there by using this web address translate.google.co.in, but let us go by this method. So here it's in the first left hand side it is showing what certain languages are there, and in the second it is certain languages there. I have chosen English on the left and the Hindi on the right hand side because I am willing to convert a sentence in English to Hindi. So let's go ahead. I wish to translate this document into Hindi. मैं इस दस्तावेज को हिंदी में अनुवाद करना चाहता हूँ. So just see how beautifully it has converted this English to Hindi or translated into Hindi. And here another feature is that so many languages are available. So instead of Hindi, let us say if you wish to convert it into Russian, then simply click and it will get converted to Russian. Here also you can choose from any language. It's not only confined to English. You can upload any document in any language and then you can convert it into other language. So that's how simple it is. But in this step, the issue is here the limit is confined to 5,000 characters. So if you wish to upload a bigger document, then you need to go to the second tab, the tab next to the text one, and then you can, it will give you an option to upload a document. So let me just upload a document. And before we upload the document, I will just would like to bring this to your knowledge that these type of formats this particular application accepts. So doc, that means the word files, then ODF, PDF, PPT, and then RTF, TXT, and XLS. These are the formats it accepts. So I need to choose one of those five. So I have a PDF file. Let us say this original.pdf I have uploaded, and in a one go I click it to translate, and this entire document is going to be translated to Hindi. This was originally it was a document in English language. Now it is translated to Hindi. So just see how easy it is to translate through using this application. I'll go back to discuss certain other features of this one. Here this feature is
I wish
a
to
speaker.
translate this document into Hindi.
So now this speaker is used to listen to what you have written here. So this is again an add-on feature is available. So I hope you have liked this one, and we'll continue with the other videos subsequently. Thank you.